Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Genius Scan and giving it camera and storage access so it can save scans. Once done, place your document flat and use even lighting to avoid shadows. That makes auto detection accurate. You tap the camera icon and hold your phone steady while the app detects edges. If needed, tap to lock focus. This first action gets the scannable image into the app quickly, so you can move straight into refining and exporting. Now you refine the capture. Choose a mode Auto for standard pages, Receipt for thin paper, because each mode optimizes contrast and crop behavior. Once done, drag crop corners to correct edges and apply a filter like color or black and white to improve readability. Filters remove glare and boost contrast. You can add more pages, reorder them by dragging thumbnails, and rename the document so organization is automatic. These actions prepare a clean, searchable file ready for export. Finish by exporting. Tap the share icon, pick PDF or JPG, and select destination, local storage, email, or a cloud service, because choosing early avoids rework. Make sure OCR is enabled if you need searchable text, and set a clear file name and tags for fast lookup. If something goes wrong, try this troubleshooting tip. If a page looks blurry, clean the lens, increase lighting, and retake the shot, then reapply auto crop and filters. That usually fixes common scan problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.